Welcome back, guys. So this is gonna be a step 3 tutorial for Windows Server 2016 setup. So last episode we had before was a step 2, which is we were adding the role of Active Directory, which that takes a little bit. All right. So as you can see, it's already done. So we're gonna go back here where it says notifications. And as you can see, configuration required installation choose the Z on Office. Okay, perfect. It was just city. Okay. So we're gonna go back here where it says promote this server to a domain controller. We're gonna click on it because we never had a forest before. So we're just gonna add a new forest. I will explain this later after in case you have a domain controller before. For now, we're just doing a fresh new installation. So we're gonna click here, add a new forest, and let's say we're gonna put up, mm, let's say server 2016. That local. That depends what's the name of your company. Let's say your company is called Candy. Let's say it's Candy da local. This is when you see that it says that local, that means it's a domain. It's creating, in premise. Uh, but let's say if you have a domain in GoDaddy or HostGator, let's get the domain's name let's say 123precision.com. So what you have to do is you have to go to your hosting account and then you gotta, forward those DNS to the server and then the server to the DNS. So, the server has to connect to that DNS. I will show you that later. So it's just for now. Let's do this easy test so we don't go crazy. All right, so I'm gonna click next. Just gotta put a password for this. This is in case anything happens. You have to restore the forest or domain controller. Okay, just gonna put any password here. I always try to put a strong password, because it's not easy for people to know. Okay, don't worry about this. Create DNS delegation. You don't need any of that. Just gonna click next, and then automatically will give you a NetBIOS domain name. All right, server 2016. That's not bad. Okay, I like it. All right, so specify the location. We don't need any of this. Just next. Okay, everything looks okay. Ba, 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 bam. No problems. Perfect. Just click next. Just verifying the prerequisites for domain controller. All right, progressive checks pass successfully. Clean start to begin installation. All right, perfect. Everything went great. So like I said before, everything takes a little bit, installations, features, services. So you need to have patience on this. When you set up a new server, installation is gonna take you at least 2 or 3 hours. So and then just saying, just in the server alone, it's gonna take you that time. So as you can see there, it says waiting for DNS installation to finish. So like I was telling you at the first, at the beginning of the video, this is the question that everybody's asking me. What's the first thing to do? So what I do first is the Active Directory. because the actual directory is the one that creates all the schemas, all the configuration, all the features, services, and everything. And then after that, then you check out the if you get any problems with the DNS, and then you set up the static IP setup, and then and we go forward from there. I know some people they do first the static IP, and then they when set up the when they add the roles, they add both of them, DNS and Active Directory. You can also add the ACP, which automatically with create the you which you create your IP net if you want to do it from just 20 IP addresses to connect to the server to a DNS, sorry, or just 150 IP addresses to connect to it. You have more control with the ACP. But let's do this first, and then little by little I'm gonna do more tutorials about the ACP, more services, stuff like that. For now, let's just create, add the server, and then the Active Directory, and then the start IP. Right, so it forced me to log out, sign out, sorry, to reboot the server so it can apply the changes of the Active Directory. Also, I just wanted to take the opportunity right now that, I have a company called 123PC Solutions, which we do networking, server maintenance, we do IT managed services, we do computer repair. We have a small store here in Miami, which we fix any type of computers, Mac, Windows, it doesn't matter, any price. Uh, Sorry, I mean my prices are super affordable, and you don't pay until it's fixed. Let's say if you have a crack laptop, you can send it to us, and then we fix it and we send it back to you. Uh, a price for a laptop repair could be $99 if it's not a touchscreen. $99 will include the labor and the part too. So it's a good price. All right, it's gonna apply computer settings. We also have another website which we sell computers. It's gonna be 123pcsales.com, which you can go. We don't have a lot of inventory. We have more desktops than laptops. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. Go keyboard, panel, perfect. So now we have the host name, which is server host name, which is gonna be server 2016, and then we're gonna go back here and put your password. After we finish all this tutorial with server 2016, I'm gonna do another one, which I'm gonna uh, do an image for Windows 10, and then we're gonna connect that computer to this as a client. But first, we have to remove the Windows evaluation key. This one here. I'll show you how to remove that, and to spend maybe like around $5-6 in a Windows Server key. Now, don't tell nobody about this. This is a trick that I use. All right. Okay, services are coming up. All right, perfect. Let's check what IP address we have. I go ipconfig. For some reason we have the 10022 default gateway. All right. So we're gonna go back here. Oh, sorry, not this. Let's cancel this. Go back here, open network sharing. As you can see, okay, we're gonna go change adapter settings. Gonna go to properties, and let's see what's going on with this. Okay, it's grabbing the, I believe the Comcast external IP. Okay, let's do this. Let's give the server. This is my as you can see here. Let me show you. This is my IP setup here. 10.0.0.17. Okay, so we need to find a way to set up the server to 15, and default gateway is the subnet mask is 3 times 255, 255, 255, and 0. The default gateway is gonna be 0, 0, 1. That's okay. This for now. Just gonna click OK. See what happens. See if we get any internet here. Let's see if my VM is getting the adapter, the Ethernet adapter here. Let's go back here to the settings and go to network. Oh, that's why we need to attach. What I always do, I do a bridge adapter. So you can grab the other adapter that I have here. There you go. That sounds about right. Let's go. So we're gonna do just a quick reboot. When you do a reboot to a server, you always try to say, oh, their plan, if you're not doing anything, any maintenance or anything like that. Sorry. So it's gonna do a reboot. Say if I like to when it's a VM, uh, the network adapter, it has to bridge with the one that, let's say if my personal laptop that I'm using right now, uh, you need to bridge that adapter so it can grab the same configuration network that you have. If not, it would grab anything. Uh, the VM will grab anything that he wants. So I like to do a bridge. Let's see what happens. I just put a static IP to the server. We added the Active Directory role. Applying computer settings. That's gonna take a little bit. Well, guys, like I say, if you wanna comment and say this guy doesn't know how to do video, that's okay. Cause I know I don't. I'm just trying to help. Just trying to pass it on. Same thing that I learned. Because like I said before, I learned everything, watching videos. I didn't took any, I took a little bit of class, online class of Windows Server, but we have to, as a tech guys, we need to always, be, you know, updated with everything. Okay, so as you can see, there's now a new server 2019, which I haven't looked at it yet, but I need to, set up a VM with 2019. Uh, Maybe by next time. But I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go watch a video, see what the new features they have, or what to set up and things like that. Okay, let's see. After we bridge the Ethernet network, see what we have now. Come on, Windows. Takes too long to load. My God, the time goes really fast. It's almost 16 minutes doing this video. I don't like to go more than 10 because I know you guys gonna get bored. I'll be like, okay, I don't wanna watch this anymore. I understand. All right, there you go. It looks like it grabbed the IP address. Nice. But let me show you what I did. Let's see. Let's just wait, see if it works. Let's see. What IP address did I grab? Still loading. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Prong. Come on, my friend. We're taking too long. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna go IP config. Let's see what we have. Let's go to fingers. Hey, come on. This is funny. It seems like somebody's typing on it. There you go. Perfect. You see? So as you can see here, now I'm in the same network as my PC. Before I was grabbing anything because we didn't bridge the Ethernet network adapter. So I'm gonna show you what I did. If you go here, if you're in an Oracle VM, you're gonna go back to the settings, which is I believe is here. You're gonna go back to settings, and then you gotta go where it says network, and then just bridge the adapter that you have to your PC, to whatever PC. Let's say if you have a server, you want to put another server inside another server. All right. So everything looks great. All right, there you go. That's it. So as you can see here, IPv6 enable. That means the IPv6 took over the IPv4 because I'm using IPv4 on my computer. I'll explain that too later. Okay, we have the DNS set up. You see automatically the it took the DNS on it. All right, PC local, fit server 2016 local. Okay, we have the 4 zones. Nice. All right, I think that's enough for this. Next time I will do more. Show you how to remove it from PowerShell and then buy a license for cheap That will be next time. All right, guys, thank you for everything. And I hope you don't get bored.